Today's word is serendipity. It means finding something good or pleasant by chance. Serendipity is a noun. Its related adjective is serendipitous, which describes something discovered pleasantly by chance. Serendipity is when you discover something good or valuable without planning to find it.
Imagine you visit a bookshop just to browse. You unexpectedly find an amazing book you love. That happy discovery is serendipity.
Meeting my best friend was pure serendipity. An unexpected meeting that turned into something wonderful.
Here's an example. Meeting my best friend was pure serendipity. It means their meeting unexpectedly and turned into something wonderful. Serendipity means a lucky discovery by chance. Similar expressions are chance discovery, lucky find, and happy accident. Let's recap. Serendipity means something good by chance. For example, meeting her was pure serendipity. Learn it, understand it, and use it.